To install the duckDuino into your Arduino environment, you need to put the boards file into the right folder. To do that, you first copy the boards file. The boards file will be available at the document section of the product page. Go to Arduino, hardware, Arduino AVR, and in this folder paste the boards file. Say copy, allow copy and replace, and the boards file is copy and replace. The boards file is installed. Now if you run the Arduino will here the boards file has upgraded and duckDuino has been recognized by the Arduino environment. Thank you.